You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this small, sap-sucking insect. How do you say it? There are two different but correct pronunciations. Oh, that's a different insect, and you may want to learn how to pronounce that one. Aphids or aphids, both pronunciations are correct. Aphid or aphid, aphids or aphids, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.